In this video, you'll be learning a very useful tutorial on how to set a paper size on any thermal printer in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to navigate here at the start icon, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings. So here you need to wait until everything would be showing up or everything would be set before we proceed. Once ready, navigate here at the left side and locate with Bluetooth and devices. And here at the Bluetooth and devices, you need to choose for printers and scanners. So here at the printers and scanner settings, you will get to see of any of the thermal printer that you have. Just select it. So let's say for example, this is your thermal printer. Anyway, they have similar printer settings. Then as long as you can follow, then good. So here at the printer settings, you need to proceed with printer properties. Please click on it. And eventually you can bring up this properties window. Just navigate to the preferences, click on it. And from here, you need to proceed with paper quality. So here at the paper quality, please proceed to the paper options, click on custom, and you need to set the size. So here, just set the size by clicking on add to set it, okay? So select the size here. Let's say for example, you would like to set for 10, then the height would be, okay? So you can set with 9 or 8.50 or 11 inch, okay? So just set the size here, either 8.50, okay? Then go with 13 as height. So we can set it into 8.50 higher since it has a limit for 8.50 only here in the width, but we can make the height higher or either smaller. Okay, so let's say for example we are going to go with height 8.50 or 9 by 14. Okay, once you've set it, please say the name for 9 by 14. Once you've put a name for it, go with saved. Okay, and then click on close. And it would be placed here, which is 9 by 14. Click on apply and then okay. The moment you've clicked on it, you just have successfully set a paper size in your thermal printer. Okay, once you're good, close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.